Smells like strawberry syrup.
I thought it was blood.
I still don't think it's a good idea to... We're already inside, aren't we? Wow, no wonder it smells so good.
Shut your trap. 이위사겠지 엉클이야. You die trying.
Oh, right. Let's be super quiet.
Just eat me, Maggie. I don't care.
Hello, gourmet guests! Who's hungry for 60 cakes? Chocolate cookies? Custard pudding tower?
My dear, she's on another sugar high.
Say, Tui, how was that 100-inch cheesecake I made for you last time?